Now we're going to review this figure 20-30 in Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. And notice we're dealing with a vault that has a transformer located inside. And it deals with the 6-inch rule of concrete thickness for the walls, your roof, and that's all in accordance with 450.42 as well as the informational note 2. The door needs a 3-hour rating in accordance with 450.43a. And then you have vent openings in the door if necessary to vent, and that's 445.45. And of course, you know, the code now requires these panic bars, pressure plates, and so forth, in accordance with 450.43c. And these panic bars shall be listed fire-rated exit hardware. And notice the bars that you see in the illustration are naturally inside the vault. But that's what this figure 20-30 is illustrating, is the design and thickness using concrete for the roof, walls, and then the 4-inch for the floor area. And that's what our figure 20-30 is illustrating.